Hello, Mr. Shao. This is Franklin Moore calling with Franklin Auto Express. We found um, but we found the problem with your car air conditioner. S- mm, uh, you have got the bad sensor switch, which need to be replaced. But so we ordered the part this morning, but it won't arrive at the shop until tomorrow. So if you'd like, we can we can offer to lend to you a car for to we can offer to lend you a car to use until your car is your car is fixes. Please call me back at 555 or 101. Oh, 1 minute. And then hi Trisha. Hi Trisha. I was just looking. 근데 두 개씩 하면 okay. Hi Trisha. I was just looking over the advertisement for Jennings that you finished for Jennings Bank. You did wonderful job. Oh, thanks. It was great campaign to work on. So I have asked, would you consider joining my team for our contract with uh, flight booking? They are famous. They are popular travel website, and they are looking to expand their market with some new advertisements. Oh, that sounds good. But at this point, I really can't say. I have a meeting with my manager tomorrow morning though. Oh, okay. Would it help if I stop by your meeting and go over the detail with both of you? In this way, your manager will know how projects entails. That sounds great. 오늘은 두 개를 배웠습니다. 바이바이.